Fiat Ducato built-in phone holder, pad holder and tablet holder. Go to the front, give it a pull, up it comes, pull the lever at the side, place your phone and your tablet in as such, and then just push the pressure on that. As it holds the phone, you can then lock it into position. Phone and tablet are going nowhere. To release, pull it, push it down, lock it into position, put the lock back in again, close the tablet holder. Second one, some people don't know, owning the Fiat Ducato, that there's also an auxiliary and a USB port just below your console. There you go. Third one, open your bonnet. To fill up your window washer, what you do is you can get to it. There we go. Inside here is a tube that pulls out, so it extends. Push back in, pop the lid back on. Fourth little one, you can actually, could be the fourth one I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. So you can actually buy a cruise control for the Fiat Ducato or most vans on the market and fit it yourself. This was $199 plus VAT and an extra part which you need for the ODB. Fitted it myself, piece of cake. Number 5, by the cup holder, you have some have just the one or the two, but if you look at the second one, if I can get him out, it is actually pre-wired to take another cigarette lighter or possibly USBs. You have number 6, 2 central locking points, which is one there, and you also have another one here. And number 7, you can link up your telephone or your phone or whatever your phone with the radio here by using the menu over here, and then you can also it's totally hands-free and you can actually control it via your steering wheel here. So when you want to answer, you answer. When you want to hang up, you hang up. And that's it. And it works perfectly. You don't have to touch your phone at all. Thanks for watching. That's hits and tips and tricks for the Fiat Ducato 2016. All the best.